Today we're gonna do a DIY replacing this one for the Ford Everest. This one. Pop these things out and I'll show you the rest afterwards. Pop it out. Right there, I already pop it out right there. As soon as you get the other one, this one is easy to pop out. Just remove it like that. See the ring? That ring right there. Almost done. Here's the new one. I don't know how easy it is to install the new one. We'll see. We'll find out. Pop it in, just like that, and then pop it on the other side. Oops, nope, it's not that easy. There you go, it's done. Saved me a lot of money. Thank you. There you have it. Installed in less than 2 minutes. All the preparation. Brand new again. It's the tools that you need right there.